Hi everyone, it's Anna with Pink Monarch Prints. I'm here with another fun video for our May 2026 subscription. This is a really fun template that Elena designed, and I on purpose didn't go check what she likes to do with them because I thought I'd give you a whole different take, or maybe it will turn out to be exactly the same and I just don't know. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get started. I'll link below if you want this same exact kit, or you can just use these concepts with whatever you have. There is no pressure. I printed these on a lightweight cardstock, and I printed a neutral on the back. You can't really tell, but it's a light pink neutral. So all of these pieces, not this one, but almost every single thing you see in this is on one sheet that you print. And so I thought I'd use most of that up just so you can kind of, just see how everything is. If you hear what sounds like a backhoe right outside the window, then that may be because we've got some people digging up part of our field. So fun times. All right, so first I thought you could use this as a file folder and even turn it into like a flap within a journal really easily, which would be fun. And then I thought, well, I kind of want to cut that in half and make it into two pieces of ephemera. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But obviously you can do it however you like. So just snip that in half or don't. And then of course now I'm gonna have to ink those two sides. And I'm just gonna kind of play with these and make them into two different styles of ephemera that you can use very differently. So the first one I want to do is create this kind of a collage on the front and then a tuck you can pull out the side. So I'm just going to turn it into like a side pocket. It's going to be pretty straightforward. Let's see. There we go. I just want a very simple collage, nothing fancy. But before I do that, I should probably I want to cut a little tab area. I'm eyeballing center. And that's just going to be for my little pull place that I'm going to pull my little journaling card out from. And obviously I normally collage with a lot more pieces, but because I'm trying to stick with what was on this page so it's a little more straightforward, then I'm going to stick with very simple and mostly with what I have. You could do some lace behind this, which would also be really pretty. And then I have these two pieces, a tiny little journal card with this cute little number label. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that just right here. I think this one would be fun for an eyelet maybe. Let's just do it and see how we like it. I'm just going to put that in the center. Oops, I did the wrong size of hole punch. Let's try that again. This will also keep that card from totally disappearing into that pocket. So we'll just bring it up to right there. And I'll just do some of this twine that I have handy. To put on that. So what I would do is glue this down into a journal, but just make sure to only glue on this side, and this side so that you can keep that as a pocket. Just a good old knot. Simple little granny knot. So Elena and I are usually filming a little bit in advance. So I just realized when this comes out live in May, then it will be like within a couple days that my son's getting married. So we're really excited for him and his cute fiance. And that'll be a fun day for our family. So I'm excited, we're getting close. All right, so glue that in and then you're just gonna have a cute little tuck. So there's one way. Now let me grab the other pieces. And there are so many things you can do with these. You could do literally so many options, and I'm just showing you a couple of really simple ideas. So on this one I wanted some texture using some pretty lace. I'm gonna put this down as a pocket on the front. So this one is going to be a front pocket. You could even use this as a belly band and just do the two sides and then put a taller tag through, which would be also just awesome. But we're just keeping it simple. Oh good, I didn't accidentally glue my pocket shut. I just thought, oh no, I forgot and glued my pocket shut. And then there's these two cute little pieces of ephemera. You're just gonna stick them in there for a really simple little pocket with some ephemera. And now on this one, I figured I could make it a taller pocket. So I'd probably go ahead and put something like this right in there, right directly into my journal. And so it's as easy as that. And that's how I use them. I'd love to hear some of your ideas, or you can even email me pictures of what you made with yours, because this template that Elena designed is super versatile with just so many fun ideas. And with these colors, it's just really beautiful and really fun to work with. So anyway, happy wedding for my son and my cute future daughter-in-law, and happy creating for you. So I'll link everything down below, and I hope you have a truly beautiful May Day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.